Hey guys, this is Max again. Still with the plate test from shootsteel.com. I've shot this thing with the 9mm, the 40 Glock. I've also shot it with a little AR-1522. Now I'm fixing to shoot it with the 223. We off about 75 100 yards out there. Gonna leave the camera right here, and as soon as I finish talking to you guys, I'm gonna zoom in on the target itself, leave the camera in position, and we're gonna go send a couple shots down range. Remember, guys, this is a AR-500 from shootsteel.com. Uh, I really don't know how well. Like I said, it's been 3 or 4 months since I've shot my AR due to the weather, work, and it's different things, vacation with the family and all. So I'm hoping I'll be able to put a few shots on target for you guys. Uh, so stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the camera position. I'm gonna zoom in on the target, and we'll go from there. Uh, Thank you. Alright guys, this is Max again. This was freshly painted right after we done the paint from the other shooting. Uh, if you see, this thing here has got no pitting. Very good steel, guys. This has been Maximum Survivalist and Family. Always remember to be careful. God bless America, and you can pick this steel up at shootsteel.com. Thank you.